Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in maximum steel. I really do love this color, kind of a blue-gray. You do have the chrome accents up front here. You do also have bifunction projector style headlights right there with your fog lights just down there as well. Coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our Goodyear brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look great. Now we do also have our heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way to the back here we do have a 6-foot box. We do have our 4x4 badging there, the dual exhaust pipes, and you do also have your badging there. You can open this guy up. 6-foot box, as I said, lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks awesome. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look. You do also have your running boards along the bottom to help you up on into the vehicle. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, and that one does bring in your windows. You have this guy that's your handle, and you do have another handle right here. You have some storage here and some more storage down here with a water bottle holder. Lots of room back here as well. It looks fantastic. The seats are leather trimmed. They look great. You do also have the controls over your lights here. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams. Plus you can press them in for your fog lights. And you do got those guys there to the in-cabin lights. Then over here we do have the controls over seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers all right here. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You also have your oil life and your battery up there. Now we can switch that around a little bit, so we do have our vehicle info, you have your fuel economy, your trip A and B, you also have your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and then back to your speedometer there. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call-up button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel right here you have a volume up and down button with a source changer, and then on the other side is for the channel. In the center you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all here. You have your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your heated seat and heated steering wheel control here, your climate control. You do also have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and just your settings there. Down here we do have the controls over our gears, and then you have your 4-wheel auto, your lock, your low, and your 2-wheel there. Then over here we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and our browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off, and then your front and rear defrosts. You have your heated seats and steering wheel with your traction control and tow and haul mode. Got some storage here, some more down here with a place to put your phone. Then you also have right here some cup holders, and you do have some storage right here. You do have 3 coin holders, and right over here we do have a SD card slot, 2 USBs, and an aux cord. Close this guy up, open up the bottom layer, and you got some room just underneath there. It is very comfortable to put your arm on top of as well. Now over here we do have our top layer glove box and our bottom with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top we do have our universal garage door opener right here, and this guy is the controls over the little back window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. You got your door here with the controls over your windows. You have your handle, another little handle here, and lots of room back here as well. Very comfortable. The seats are leather. It is a quad cab. Now you can lift these guys up and you got some additional storage underneath there. Then you can also fold this down just like this, and you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Now you can fold up the other seat as well, and you got some more storage just underneath there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around view of the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.